Look at my little tailgater, Pit Boss Tailgater. I put some of this food grade mineral oil that I use on my Lone Star Grill's pellet grill on it. And boy, did it bring back the shine. Now this is food grade mineral oil. It doesn't make it oily like if you sprayed it with an oil or whatever, or rubbed it with a canola oil or something like that. But yeah, hey, look at it, really brought it back to life. So if your little pit is getting a little dingy looking, grab you a bottle of this. There is a link below. And yeah, give it a try. Look at that. Looks like brand new again. Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and what do you think about using that food grade mineral oil on your regular Pit Boss or your Traeger or your whatever? It sure does brighten it up. And like I said, it's not greasy, worked great, makes it look new. Anyway, tonight, before we get started, I'm going to do a shout out. If you haven't noticed yet, I've got this new hoodie on. This hoodie right here, check this out. This was embroidered by Lance at Sleeper Barbecue, and he started another channel called Stitch Art Embroidery. I'll put the links to both his channels below, but that's pretty cool. Lance retired, and he's got a new hobby, and I'm sure this hobby is going to turn into more of a job because everybody's hitting him up to get embroidery work done. Hoodies, beanies, hats, whatever. Anyway, Lance, thank you so much for this. It's awesome. We love it. My wife had her company logo put on some. And anyway, so tonight we're going to do some pork chops on the Pit Boss Tailgater. Right, I already have my meat stick connected, so I'm going to put it in my pork chops, and then I'm going to use some Killer Hogs hot barbecue rub. It's not really that hot. It does have a great flavor though, so we're just going to do both sides of these chops and get them out to the little tailgater. There you go. As soon as the smoke clears, the flame starts. I'm going to turn this up to 350 degrees. Let's get them on and get it going. What I'm going to do with this though, before we get going, what I'm going to do with my pork chop, I did that Roadhouse, a Texas Roadhouse chicken with the Monterey Jack and green chili sauce on it. I'm going to do that on top of my pork chop because I did a shorts video quite a while ago making this pork chop just like this. This is the long version. This is how I'm going to do it. I'll show you. Let's get it going. Let's get those chops on. Okay, I'm going to just set the pork chops over here on the right side, and we're going to keep the temp, keep check of the temp with my MeatStickX, and when it hits 138, 139, we'll be back out. And I'll just set the meat stick receiver over here on my pellet hopper. I'll just put it here on the side. It has a magnet just like that. Alrighty, we'll see you in a minute. Right, meat stick says they are at 139. Take that off there. All right, so one thing I love about grilling pork chops as opposed to doing them on the griddle on the Blackstone is the fat tastes so much better. Gotta eat the fat, right? So what I'm gonna do, and this is how you deal with the tailgater. Cook on one side of the grates. You take one out, you open up the sear plate, slide your protein over, put this over here. Okay, so now we're going to let these go. Kind of get a sear on them. That's why we only went to about 139. Okay, we'll let this go for about 30-45 seconds. We'll be back. Flip. Look how juicy that is. I just really, like I said, I just love getting all the fat cooked up a little bit more. There, I got 145 over here. This one is my wife's. It's ready to take off. Actually, I'm going to set it over there. Okay, now for mine, I'm going to set it over here. Get you over here. Turn it back over. Isn't that a beautiful looking chop? Man. Now we're going to make it look even better. So I've got some Monterey Jack cheese. right there. I love cheese. You know I gotta add my green chilies, right? Just put this all right on there. Okay, we're gonna leave that flame open like that. I'm gonna close the lid and give the cheese a chance to melt. Okay, it's been about a minute and a half. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice melty cheese with the green chili. Take this off. All gooey, isn't it? Look at that. That's what I like. Okay, there you go. Pork chops, man. It only takes like 20-25 minutes at 350 degrees on your pellet smoker, pellet grill. I already cut a piece off. Look at that. Done perfect. Did a quick little sear on it. Got my green chilies on it. Some fell off. Let me grit them. All right, let's give it a taste. Killer Hogs, hot barbecue rub. That pork chop is delicious. I didn't bring my knife with me, so I can't take another bite, but I want to. Try something different with your pork chops. Throw some cheese on it, throw some green chilies on it. Totally changes it up. Such a great meal. All right, we're getting inside. I'm gonna go enjoy this pork chop. And thanks for watching. I hope you hit the like. I hope you subscribe and ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video. Oh, did you want to check out that little short video on this? It's right there.